Let's explore the 7 continents of the world. Each one tells a story. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Our journey begins in the largest of them all, where ancient civilizations meet modern marvels. Welcome to Asia. Asia takes the top spot, the largest continent in the world. It spans a massive 44.5 million square kilometers. That's 29.3% of the world's land area, and it's home to 4.7 billion people. That's nearly 60% of the planet. Its vast regions include the Middle East, Central, South, East, and Southeast Asia. In total, it holds 49 sovereign countries, diverse and powerful. Next stop, the land of deserts, jungles, and incredible wildlife. Welcome to Africa. The second largest continent. Spanning over 30 million square kilometers, this vast continent makes up 20% of Earth's land and is home to 1.4 billion people. From the Sahara to the Savannah, it's got 5 vibrant regions, and the most sovereign states of any continent, 54 in total. Africa is wild, rich, and roaring with life. Up next, North America. From icy peaks to tropical beaches, let's explore what makes North America so unique. It's the 3rd largest continent by area, after Asia and Africa. It stretches across 25 million square kilometers. That's 16.5% of the world's land area. Home to over 600 million people, that's 7.5% of the global population. It covers North America, Central America, and the Caribbean islands. And guess what? It's made up of 23 sovereign countries. Vast and vibrant. Heading south now. Home to the Amazon and the Andes. Let's explore South America. Ranked as the 4th largest continent in the world, this landmass covers a massive 17.8 million square kilometers. That's 12% of Earth's land. Home to about 430 million people, that's 5.4% of the global population. From the towering Andes Mountains to the dense Amazon basin and diverse coastal and southern zones, South America's regions are as diverse as its people. It includes 12 independent countries. South America is wild and wondrous. Brace for a deep freeze. We're off to the icy frontiers of Antarctica. A land of ice and extremes, home to majestic glaciers, curious seals, and marching penguins. It's the 5th largest continent, covering 14 million square kilometers. That's over 9% of Earth's land area, all under ice. No permanent inhabitants, only seasonal visitors, scientists and researchers. Instead of countries and capitals, it's dotted with international research stations, and yes, it's the largest desert on Earth. No borders, no flags, just a treaty for peace and science. Antarctica is Earth's cold core. Next up, Europe, a continent of castles, culture, and timeless beauty. Ranked 6th by size, Europe covers 10.2 million square kilometers. That's 6.8% of the world's land area. Home to around 750 million people, it holds 9.4% of the global population. Divided into 5 regions, Western, Central, Eastern, Northern, and Southern, Europe is made up of 44 sovereign countries. Small but diverse. Final stop, Australia, where kangaroos hop and reefs shine. It is the smallest continent on Earth, covering 8.5 million square kilometers, that's just 5.9% of Earth's land. With a population of about 44 million, that's only 0.5% of the world, this region includes Australia, New Zealand, and the many Pacific islands. Altogether, 16 sovereign nations call it home. Vast and vibrant. Like, share, and subscribe.